In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete date in Printify guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your personal data controls in Printify, how to submit a deletion request, and how to confirm it via email so the process actually goes through. First, open Printify and sign into the account whose data you want to remove. You'll land on the dashboard. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. If there's anything you might need later, like invoices, product details, or store settings, consider downloading or noting those before you proceed because this process is permanent. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Look toward the bottom of that panel for your account area. This is where you can access your profile and account options. Click on your account to open the account menu or page. Next, head into settings. This is where Printify groups all of your account level preferences and privacy tools. Once you're in settings, look for a section labeled My Personal Data. This is the hub for privacy-related actions, including data deletion. Click Delete My Data. Before you confirm, you'll see information describing what this action means. Read these conditions carefully. Deleting your data is irreversible and can affect your ability to access your account and its associated information. Some information may be retained for legal or transactional reasons, but the personal data tied to your account will be scheduled for removal. If you have active projects, orders, or store connections, understand how this might impact them before moving forward. When you're sure, click Delete to submit the request. You're not done yet. Printify requires an email confirmation to make sure the request is intentional. Open your email inbox that's associated with your Printify account. If you don't see the message within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folders. Find the email from Printify, open it, and look for the button or link that says Delete My Data. Click that to confirm your request. This step is essential. Without this confirmation, your deletion won't be processed. After you confirm, Printify will begin processing the deletion. Timing can vary, and you may receive follow-up notifications as it completes. Once it's done, access to your data and account content will be removed as described in the conditions you reviewed. That's it. You navigated to your account settings, requested deletion under My Personal Data, and finalized it through the confirmation email. Thanks for watching, and remember to double-check what you need to keep before you confirm, since this can't be undone.